This well-cared-for 2016 Nissan Frontier PRO-4X shows like new in gun metallic grey and has less than 40,000 kilometers on the odometer. Around the back, the truck features a sliding rear window, privacy glass, and parking sensors. The bed is in good condition and is equipped with a protective liner and movable bed cleats. From the driver's side, the Frontier looks off-road ready with a factory roof rack, fog lights, and 16-inch alloy wheels. The interior is spacious and features leather upholstery, power heated seats, dual zone climate control, power moonroof, tilt steering, cruise control, leather wrapped wheel, power windows and locks, and an AM/FM CD satellite audio display with navigation, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, and a backup camera. The passenger compartment offers seating for 3 with plenty of legroom and a folding center armrest. Power comes from a 4-liter V6 mated to an automatic transmission. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located at 1200 Leathead Rd in Kelowna.